Let me tell you about a great opportunity, the Biotech Lab Technician Certificate Program.
Biotechnology is all about using biological systems to develop technologies and products that improve our lives and health.
It is used in many areas like pharmaceutical sciences, the food industry, agriculture, animal sciences, and biomedical engineering.
For many reasons, there's an increasing demand for lab technicians, especially in California, which is a hotbed for biotechnology. It pays well and is projected to grow.
And the certificate can be completed in just 1 year.
You'll get hands-on experience in basic skills used in biotechnology labs, including preparation of solutions and buffers, pipetting techniques, microscopy, analysis and manipulation of DNA.
This program gave me the practical skills I needed right away to feel confident in the lab environment.
I'm excited for my job opportunities.
It all starts with Biotech 1.